Made possible by BrainyBuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Spirit E-310 B0 DPH6 NNTB and the Spirit 2 E-210 B077K1MK8N. Both propane, obviously. What do you think?
Weber's a solid brand, but let's dig in. The most obvious difference is size, right? The E-310 has 3 burners, and the E-210 only has 2.
Yeah, the E-310 boasts 360 square inches of cooking space, whereas the E-210 just says 3.6E plus 2 square inches, which I am assuming is also 360. So similar cooking area.
Okay, interesting. The E-310 is also bigger overall, dimension-wise. It's heavier too, at 98.1 pounds compared to the E-210's 20 pounds.
Makes sense with the extra burner. The E-310 also has Weberworks side rails. What are those?
Those are handy. They let you attach accessories like bottle holders or tool hooks. The E-210 doesn't seem to have that feature, but it is iGrill 3 compatible, which is a separate accessory.
So both have accessory options, just different systems. What about heat output?
The E-310 puts out 19,000 BTUs, while the E-210 is slightly lower at 18,000 BTUs. Probably not a huge difference in real-world grilling.
Right. The E-310 also has stainless steel flavorizer bars, which sound fancy. Does the E-210 have those?
It mentions stainless steel heat deflectors, which I think serve a similar purpose, vaporizing drippings for extra flavor.
Okay, so both are trying to amp up the flavor game. What about durability?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention and easy cleaning. The E-310 mentions a cast aluminum cookbox, which is rust resistant. The E-210 lists cast iron as a frame material.
Okay, so both are fairly durable. Anything else stand out?
The E-310 has a cabinet with a door to hide the propane tank and grilling accessories, which is a nice touch. The E-210 has an open cart design. And, unfortunately, the E-210 is currently unavailable, so that might make the decision for you.
Good point. That definitely simplifies things. Price-wise, the E-310 is listed at $449.99. It seems like a solid, well-featured grill if you need the extra burner and storage space. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.